Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online. We have a simple question we want to provide an answer to in this episode. You can pause the video and try and see if you can be able to provide an answer to this. We are to prove that tan x plus cot x equals to sec x cosec x. So we can begin with our left to see whether the left will actually give us what the right. Good. Now, to do this, we have to also know that tan is also having an expression of what? Sine over cos. Sine over cos. That is tan. And cot is also the inverse of this, meaning it's going to be the cos over the sine. So if that is the case, this is going to be sine x cos x plus cos x sine what? X. Maybe in your mind you'll be thinking this will cancel the cos and the sine so that we have 1 plus 1, 2. No, this is addition, so we cannot cross to cancel. So now we can solve this as a normal fraction whereby we look for the LCD, that is the least common denominator. In this case, we can only multiply the 2. So we are going to have cos x sine x as our denominator or as our LCD. So if I like, I can multiply the top and the down by the sine and multiply the top and down by the cos. It will give me the same thing. So I'll write sine x times sine x over cos x over sine x. You know, this will cancel, so there's no excess baggage, plus cos x over sine x multiplying cos x over cos x. Don't forget the cos x over cos x will also cancel. So now we can multiply the top to have a value. If I multiply this, I'll be having sine square x over, what do I get? I'll be having cos x sine x. The top will also give you cos square x over sine x cos what? X. Now this, don't forget, multiplication is what? Commutative. So either this or this, we can still have sine x cos x as our main denominator, because if you have a fraction of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, or better still, 1 over 3, 2 over 3. The moment they have the same denominator, you can only add your numerators. So since they are having the same denominators, I'm only going to add to have sine square x plus cos square x all over one of these. Any of them is accepted because multiplication is commutative. So if you have this sine square x plus cos square x is an identity, trigonometry identity, which says that sine square x or theta plus cos x cos square x all give us what? 1. Meaning our numerator is nothing but 1. So 1 over sine x cos what? X. We could have left our answer this way because it's a little bit simplified, but we are trying to see if we can get sec x cosec x. So this is 1. We separate the 1 over this, meaning 1 over the sine, 1 over the cos. Don't forget the numerator is 1. So if I multiply, I will still get 1. What I mean is that 1 over sine x multiplying 1 over cos x. You see that when you multiply the numerator under multiplication, it is only the numerators that we multiply together and your denominators together. So 1 times 1 will still give you 1. Then sine times sine times cos will give me sine x cos x. And we know that this is the inverse of sine. The inverse of sine is what? Cosec x. So we are going to have cosec x multiplying the inverse of cos is also what? Sec, which is going to be sec x. In the beginning we said multiplication is commutative. So this is also the same as this. So hence we have proved that our left hand side equals to the right hand side. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share the video with your learning colleagues. Give a thumbs up and comment. Bye.